Good morning, children. I hope you are listening your videos regularly and reading your chapters. So, children, in the previous videos, we discussed about the secularism from the world point of view. Then we discussed about the Indian secularism, the various objectives of Indian state, and the various strategies they follow to make India a democratic country. But, children, have you wondered, do you think that secularism, its objectives, its strategies, it remains same throughout the country, throughout the entire world? Does every democratic country has same objectives and strategies? No, it is not the same all over the world. So next question which arises is that in what way Indian secularism is different from the other democratic countries? So children, we can say that in India the state intervention is based on the ideals laid out in the constitution, but in other countries it is not the same. In simpler words, in India, every intervention, every process, it is done on the basis of the ideals which are given to us by our constitution. But my dear children, in the other countries, it is not the same. Let's just take an example of India and USA, United States of America. In USA, the state strictly separates itself from the religion and does not intervene in the religious affairs. But children, in India, as we have read, whenever religious based discriminations occur, whenever people try to discriminate minority in the name of religion, the government interferes and protect the citizens of the country. Just like we have heard the example of untouchability, which was abolished from the Hindu religion. So in such a situation, state can interfere, but within the domains of the constitution, within the ideals laid down by the constitution. By this, children, we have reached to the end of our chapter, and through the entire discussions we have made throughout, we can draw a conclusion. We can just write down a conclusion to our chapter that Indian secularism works to prevent religious dominations and discriminations. The Indian Constitution guarantees fundamental rights that are based upon secular principles so that its citizen can enjoy to live freely in the biggest democracy of the world.